Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add a story to your highlights on Instagram. This feature allows you to keep your favorite moments visible long after they disappear from your stories. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all your features. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, open your story. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture at the top left of the home screen, where you'll see all your recent stories. If you've just posted a new story, it will be at the front. Tap on it to view. Now that you have your story open, look for the highlight icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon typically looks like a heart inside a circle. When you click on it, a menu will pop up, allowing you to choose where you want to add this story. Here's where it gets exciting. You can either select an existing highlight or create a new one. If you want to add it to an existing highlight, simply tap on the highlight's name. If you prefer to create a new highlight, tap on New and give it a name that reflects the content of the story. Finally, once you've made your selection, tap on Add or Done. Your story will now be saved in that highlight for everyone who visits your profile to see. This is a fantastic way to showcase important moments and keep them accessible beyond the usual 24-hour lifespan of Instagram stories. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily curate and manage your Instagram highlights, making sure that your favorite memories are always just a click away. Happy highlighting!